How to fix Instagram you can send messages for 3 days. Hello guys, so all what you want to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing is open your Instagram, and then you need to go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on the settings, and now you have to click on this help option. After you click on the help option, all what you wanna do is click on report a problem. Then go down, click on this option. After click on this option, now all what you wanna do here is just briefly explain what happened. For example, you need to write, I have a problem which is I can't send messages for 3 days, please can you help me? That's it. After that, click on next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.